Welcome to Voice Story Time!
Hi guys, Racy Time here. Today I'm going to show you some sea animals and dogs. Here I have two puppies and they're gonna race in the water. Now let's see who gets to the finish line first. Ooh, look at that. This is cute. The white dog wins. The bluefish wins. Oh, another bluefish wins. Now the puppy is going to compete with the fish. Let's see who's gonna win. The fish. Let's watch this big dog swims in the pool. Here's a shark. Here's a dolphin. And by the way, I have here fizzy fun sea eggs. We're gonna drop these eggs in the water and watch them fizzes. Now the eggs have dissolved. Let's see these toy sea animals. Oh, we have here a whale shark. We have a stingray. We have a penguin. And we have a dolphin. Here's a penguin. Here's a seal. Sea lion. A dolphin. Here's a white octopus and it changes to red. Here's another white octopus, changes to blue. Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe and click those thumbnails to watch more fun videos here at Race Day Time channel. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.